Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to copy data from one worksheet and paste it into another worksheet using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case you need to include the Microsoft.Office.interop.excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetExtensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. Now first of all, what I will do is I will create an instance of Excel. For that I will copy this Microsoft.Office.interop.excel and then I will use .application. I will create an object of it which is Excel app equals to new, and then I will copy this which is Microsoft.Office.interop.excel.application, then bracket and then semicolon. After that, I will set the visible property of this Excel app to true so that you can see the application on your screen. Now what I have to do is I have to create an object of the workbook. So for that I will use workbook WP equals to Excel app dot workbooks dot open, because I want to use the existing file. For that I will specify the file path here. Here I will paste the file path, and one thing I have to add here is that is @ when we will add @ sign here, it will tell the compiler to consider this string as a string literal, and then I will put a semicolon. If you do not add @ sign here, it will generate an error. Okay. Now I will create an object of the worksheet. I will name it as WS. Then I will do the typecasting here. For that I will copy till here, which is Microsoft.Office.interop.excel.worksheet. Then I will use the workbook object dot then sheets. I will specify the index of the sheet which is 1. Okay. After that, what I want to do is I want to copy the data from this worksheet. So I will use this object which is WS dot used range and then dot copy. Okay. So now we have copied the entire data from the worksheet. Now we have to create one more worksheet. For that I will use this line of code, paste it here, and here I will name this object as WS1, and here after this workbook I will use worksheets dot add. Right, so this add function will create a new worksheet. Now let's say I want to rename this worksheet, so I will give a name to this worksheet as WS1 dot name is equals to, I will give name as copied data and then semicolon. After that, what I will do is I will paste this data. For that I will say WS1 dot range. I will specify the location of the cell, so which is, let's say, A1 dot paste special. Inside this function I will use this Microsoft.Office.interop.excel and then I will specify Excel paste type dot Excel paste all, right? So it will paste everything from the worksheet 1, right? I'll put a semicolon. Now what happens when you paste the data, the columns will not be in autofit state. So if I want to set the columns as autofit, then I will use worksheet 1 dot used range dot columns dot autofit. I'll put a semicolon and then click on save, and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that we have copied entire data from sheet 1 and pasted it in copied data sheet which we created, right? One thing, if you notice here, that we have this circle around this data which we copied. If you want to get rid of it, for that we will write a code. Here we will write Excel app dot cut copy mode equals to, then I will use this Microsoft.office.interop.excel dot Excel cut copy mode dot Excel copy, and then semicolon. Now I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Code execution has completed. Here you can see that we have copied data from sheet 1 and pasted in the copied data. And if you notice here that now you do not have circle around this data, right? So this is how you can copy entire data from one sheet and paste it into another sheet using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.